Hello, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I've got a very exciting video. I finally bit the bullet and I have bought myself a new upgrade phone, which is the iPhone 11. It came in the post today and I'm so excited to unbox it. I'm upgrading from an iPhone 6S, which I've had for literally 4.5 years and is in absolute immaculate condition. You know, it served me well. I love it so much. I've wanted one for ages, you know, if it's not broke, don't fix it kind of thing. The only thing I really wanted from an upgrade is the camera, because the camera is to die for. I go out for like an hourly walk or run or whatever, and then even if it's on 100%, when I come back it's literally like 10%, or sometimes even shuts down when I'm out, and I'm like, I need to sort that out. I need to get a new one. It's sad because I feel like I'm breaking up the love of my life but it's needed. It really is needed. You know, the software's getting a tiny bit slow now. I bought it all outright considering the price has dropped a bit now, and yeah, I'll stop nattering on and let's get into opening this. I didn't think I'd be making another unboxing so soon after doing my Apple Watch one, but you know, it's just got to be done. And if you watched my Apple Watch unboxing and wondering how I'm finding it, it's amazing. It's been life-changing and I just absolutely love it, and I couldn't see myself living without it anymore. Oh my god, it's so bittersweet. I'm so excited but so sad for my phone. So I got the iPhone 11 in white. What made me want to get the white version is I think it's quite sleek. If they had a pink one, I probably would have got the pink one. I have the rose gold 6S, as you can see, and I really like it, and I have a clear case over it. But I was choosing either between this one or the lilac one, but I decided to go with the white one. Oh, look at that peel. Look at that beauty. Oh my god. It just feels so surreal actually having like a new phone, because mine's my baby and I'm not someone who buys like the next best thing as soon as it drops, and mine is, because mine's dying and I do need a new one, but oh my god. Ah, okay. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Sorry, I'm just in awe. Like, I've seen them before and it's cool, but actually seeing the white one in person, I was really worried because I was stuck between the white and the lilac. I tried to have a look in the Apple store the other day, but they said they wouldn't allow anyone in without an appointment, and I was like, okay. And the queues were like ridiculous. If you ever go to Westwood and Stratford, you know. So I tried to have a look in like, say, John Lewis or I think it was Curry's, but they only had the black version out and they're more like pushing the iPhone 12, which I'm not really that fussed about. Plus the price tag is a little pricey for me. So I got the iPhone 11 with the 128 gig memory space. So if I just hold it up against mine, it's quite a bit, maybe if I hold it this way, it's quite a bit bigger, but not too bad. It's not too bad, it's more higher up. But yeah, I have quite small hands, but it seems to fit in my hand. I mean, I've been playing about on other ones before, so I kind of know the size, but I don't think I could get any, like, is it the Pro Max version ones that are really big? I don't think I could fit in any, my hands could fit in any of those. Ooh, you're so pretty. I think before I turn it on or anything, I might just put a screen protector on it. Actually, before I do that, you've got the little manual and like a little Apple sticker, the little pinhole thing for the SIM card. I have the nano SIM, I think, for the 6S, so I don't think I need to upgrade. Do you even get headphones? Yeah, you get the little charger in the box. You don't get a plug or anything, which is a bit sad, but I don't seem to do any plugs these days. You know what though? I actually thought you got headphones in these. I could have sworn I saw people get headphones with these phones, but I guess not. Do I have to get another plug because it's not got a USB thing at the end? Do I have to get another one? It's like a thunder. Does this fit in my laptop? Oh no, wait, it does. Oh, it does fit in my laptop. Do I have to buy another charger? No. Why are they doing this to me? I didn't know you had to get another charger. Like, that really upsets me. Anyway, I'll just quickly put the screen protector on. Yep, and it comes with some wipes. I'll just quickly do that. All right, let's test this out. Bubbles. Does this work? Are you supposed to use a cloud like this? So I will move back up here. I got a case from the same company I got my one from for my 6S, and I came across them about March 2020, so like this time last year-ish. They're actually pretty affordable. They're like a little bit pricey, but like worth it. They're not as expensive as Casetify. Cases are about £20, but they have them for £10 on Amazon, so recommend that. So this is the case I've got, and it's this like cherry blossom Sakura one. As you can see, it's a little bit grimy now, but I have like a little Japanese one, which I absolutely love, but as you can see, the sides are a bit yellow now. They don't seem too bad, but next to the new case, you're like, oh right, okay, I can see the difference, but you know, it's fine, it served me well. Like, I've never broken my screen on my phone ever, and I've always had like a tempered glass screen protector and this case, so it's been amazing. However, I am thinking about getting this one from Casetify. I'll put a picture up of the one I really like here, and I think it will look beautiful like white on white. I know it's an American company, but I heard they ship from China, but like their cases are quite expensive. Like, they're about double or triple these ones, even though they're like the same kind of design, unless you get the ultra impact one. But then some of them you also need to pay £20 customs, and I'm like, a lot of them say you don't, but I don't know. If you have any experience with them from the UK, let me know. I kind of wanted to see how my phone would look first and have this one for now just in case, because I know these ones are reliable. They're honestly like, the shock absorption with this and the screen protector is banging. It just pops in. So as you can see, it's got like a little lip around it as well. Yeah, it's got like a little bump around here. I do really like this case, but I am feeling the dragon one a little bit more, I'm not gonna lie now that I have it, but this one is still very pretty. Without further ado, let me turn this bad boy on. Laptop. You know what I'm really gonna miss on the 6S is the touch thing. I think Face ID is pretty cool, but especially in the panini that we are in, feels very annoying that you have to constantly enter your passcode when you have your face mask on. Hello, this is Editing Jodie. I just wanted to quickly butt in on this video. So since filming, Apple have released the iOS 14 update, or whichever the newest one is, and it actually means that if you own an Apple Watch, you can unlock your phone whilst wearing your face mask. That's really cool. Because when I first got this phone, I was really worried about it, obviously since with the pandemic and everything. But yeah, it's actually been a really seamless experience. But I mean, this is only if you own an Apple Watch. It kind of just has a little vibrate on your wrist, and if you don't want it to unlock, you can just lock it, but otherwise it just goes straight up, and it's honestly really good. It's game changing, so yeah. So I've just finished setting up my phone for how I want it now. And you know what? I think I am definitely going to get the other case. I don't particularly like this one. I think it's a really pretty case. I feel like it makes it look yellow, but maybe it's me. But I feel like as much as I love it on my iPhone 6S, I feel like my style may have more matured, and I kind of just want a white on white one just to kind of keep it a bit more sleek. Oh, I used the Face ID for the first time. I mean, it seems pretty cool. Really loving it. It feels a lot more comfortable in my hands with the case on, but yeah, I think I'm definitely gonna exchange it.
1 week later.
Hello, future Jodie interjecting this video again. I basically had planned to upload this video a lot sooner than it has been, and I'm joined by my lovely Archie today. I am dog sitting him, so don't mind him. The reason I'm adding this in is because I actually did bite the bullet and order the Casetify iPhone case, and I wanted to just quickly open it up on camera. Before I open it, just wanted to say I didn't have to pay any custom charges. I think I waited around 2-ish weeks for the case to arrive, and there was like tracking, and it was shipped from Hong Kong. Archie, what's this? What's this? You can hear the neighbour's dog, and he's like... So yeah, it comes in this nice little box here. So in the box you get loads of little wipes and, you know, dust wipes that you normally use for screen protectors, and you get a few little like business cards and like a little letter from them. So here is the case. The design is like etched on the outside, so it's got like a little bit of texture, which is quite cool. Currently just using a clear case with like a Polaroid in it at the moment. I actually got this clear case from Amazon for about £6 by a company called Jet Tech. I'll link it down below because I ended up returning that Sakura one. I didn't really like it. I did like it on my 6S, but I think because this is white, it feels a lot more sleeker. Thought I'd add this in as well. But I actually ordered a camera screen protector. So I just put it on the top here. You can't really see it, but when I've got a phone case on, I'm just sometimes a tiny bit worried that the lenses could get scratched. Maybe they wouldn't, I don't know. But it's just like it was only like £2. So yeah, I'll just pop this on. Here is the case on a white phone. I quite like it. But yeah, I really like this white on white design purely because it's very sleek and minimal, and you can see it quite a lot in person, but it's not like in your face. It seems very cool. I like how it's, you know, got the clear bumpers around it as well, like the other one. I think the Casetify cases are quite expensive, but if you can find like a cheeky little discount code or something, then yeah, I think it's worth it. But I would recommend maybe checking out Case Warehouse first, or even Amazon Case Warehouse. They have the exact same kind of mold, but yeah, Case Warehouse do like £10 to £20 cases, £10 on Amazon. And these ones were about £25, but you can get them up to like £30, £35, £40, and I do think it's worth it because I do like the design. It's up to you really. It is really good, but it is quite pricey for a phone case. Yeah, I just wanted to quickly add that in, and I will get back to the original past Jodie, so yeah, bye. So yeah, that is my little unboxing, and I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.